Alright folks, we're looking at 79 Dodge. This was a Warlock, but it's converted to a D150, so it's been fully restored. As you can see, it's got a 360 engine in it. It's got a pistol grip shifter. I mean, this thing is really been gone all the way through and done right. We'll let you hear it here. Great looking interior. Got a radio, aftermarket of course. Carpet and seats. This truck is right. Up here, so take a closer look at it. 256-694-0194. We're gonna go ahead and get him to raise the hood here real quick and let you get a look under there. One-handed, I wasn't doing so well. But the builder and owner here is let me get us in there, so I don't mess nothing up and have to buy it myself. Custom radiators. You see everything's been done properly and efficiently. Aluminum radiator. All the cutouts done in Alright. Posi rear end. Shorty headers. I mean, this thing is all the way nice for the guy that wants something clean on the weekend. 256-694-0194 is the number. You can call me day or night. Also, well, that's it. Just call me at that number, you'll get me. Thank you so much.